Enjoy a stunning visual experience with beautiful and vibrant colors thanks to the extensive LED range and accurate color reproduction. The system provides bias lighting, which is particularly beneficial for your eyes in dark environments, like reducing eye strain and enhancing visual comfort. From the front of the TV, the installation is invisible, maintaining a sleek and premium look. Unlike backlight systems that require a camera on top, you don't have to set it up with Wi-Fi as it comes pre-configured with optimal settings. However, connecting to the app unlocks additional features for enhanced customization. If the effects seem too choppy, you can make them smoother or speed them up if the transitions are too slow. Customize your lighting experience through the app. Choose from solid colors, dynamic patterns, or even sync it with the built-in equalizer for a music-responsive display. Easily adjust the brightness through the app to suit your comfort level, ensuring the lighting is never too harsh on your eyes. The LEDs on each side perfectly synchronize with the corresponding side of the screen, enhancing the immersion of your viewing experience, especially during vibrant and action-packed scenes. The light response is instant and not delayed, as it uses HDMI input rather than a camera on top, ensuring a faster and more accurate sync with the video. Even if your show doesn't reach the edge of the TV screen, the system works flawlessly when you enable the appropriate setting in the app.